Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to create a space schedule for school building. Now we have to create the space schedule for school building. But before discussing how to create the space schedule for school building, first try to understand why we are creating a space schedule. Okay, so remember, creating a space schedule in Revit serves several purposes like space informations. Okay, and this space schedule helps in quantifying different aspects of spaces such as square footage, dimensions, occupancy loads, furniture counts, and material specification, etc. And you can say, by having all space related information in one place, that is why we are creating this space schedule, so the stakeholder can analyze and plan efficiently. And space schedules serve as part of the project documentation also. They provide a clear organized representation of the spaces within the building, aiding communication among team members, clients, and other stakeholders. So these are the advantages of creating a space schedule in Revit. Okay, so suppose once you have linked the file, project file, so better is to create a space schedule, total detail of that school building I want to do. So how to create it? So for that, first of all, you have to hit on analyze tab. To create the space schedule, you have to hit on analyze tab, report and schedule panel. Here you will get the option schedule or quantity. Hit on that. When you hit here, you will get the new schedule dialog box. Under categories, from here you have to select the spaces. So where is here? Select the spaces from the category, and now you can write down the name as per your requirement. So we are creating a space schedule for school building, so I am writing the same name, school space schedule for school building. Okay, then finally you have to hit on OK. So now when you hit on OK, here the schedule properties dialog box will open. Now what parameter you want to see in your schedule, so that parameter you have to add it in schedule field. Okay, so suppose the schedule which we are creating, I want to see in that schedule first of all level, ground floor, first floor. So search the level from here, and then here you will get the option add parameter. Add it here in schedule field. Now I want to say I want to see the name of each and every room in our school building, whatever, just add it. I want to see the number also, so select the number from the available field and add it. Then the next thing, I want to see the area of each and every room, so search where is area. So see, here you will get the area and add it. Then after that, I want to see the space type also. Okay, select this space type, add it. You want to see anything else, so you can select it and just add it. You want to remove something from the list, okay, select that parameter, and here you will get the option remove parameter, just remove it. Okay, you want to add, so select it and add it. Okay, so whatever parameter you want to see in your schedule, so you can just add it in schedule field. Okay, after adding, hit on OK. So here you will get this space schedule ready. See, space schedule for building. First we have added the level, so you can see the level is shown ground floor. Whatever room are there in ground floor, it is visible here, their number, their area, and space type. Okay, from here you can just increase it. But the problem is what here? Okay, we have created the space schedule. Now you can see this level is repeating again and again. Okay, I want to see the level in the header here. For ground floor, whatever room is coming, I want to see the ground floor level in this header. I want footer also after completing one floor, blank line also. Okay, so for that, if you want to do the setting in this space schedule, so come here in properties palette. Here you will get the option formatting, or second option is sorting or grouping. So you have to hit on sorting. Come here in sorting or grouping, hit on edit. Now sort by what? So I want to sort by level. I want to see this level in header, so from here you have to check the header. If you want footer also after completing each floor, so just check it footer. In footer, if you want to see the total only, okay, select the total. You want blank line, select, check the blank line. Okay, now see, Now your level you will get in header, and see like this: ground floor, first floor and second floor. Okay, now we have selected the blank line also, so here you will get the blank line. Now second thing, okay, we have done this setting. Now suppose I don't want to see this level again and again, because already I have given a ground floor level in header, so I don't want to see this level again repeating here. I want to hide this level. Second thing, I want to see the complete area of each and every floor. For example, for ground floor, here in footer I want to see the complete area, and second I want to hide the level. So okay, so for that, again here in property palette you have to come here in formatting, hit on edit. Now you want to hide the level, so from the field select the level. Here see, in field formatting you will get the option hidden field, check it. Okay, now see, the level will hide. Same thing if you want to see the complete area for each and every floor. So in formatting, hit on edit. Here you have to select the area. Okay, like this. And in field formatting, now from here you have to select the calculate total, then hit on OK. See, now in footer you will get the complete area of each and every floor. Ground floor area is this, first floor area is given, second floor area. Okay, same thing if you want to see the complete total number of room, means how much space are there, how many number of space are there in ground floor. Okay, so in formatting you can go here, select the number you want to see the total. Okay, so you will get the option. Okay, so in this way you have to do the setting. Now if you have created this space, now close it from here. Automatically that space schedule which you have created for your school building is saved in project browser. Where, come here in project browser, when you scroll down in schedule or quantities, when you hit on this plus sign, here you can see the space schedule which you have created with the name space schedule for school building. You want to see this schedule, double hit on that. So see, the schedule is ready. This schedule is very important when we are doing the heat load calculation and everything, as I already discussed with you. Okay, that space schedule in Revit serves several purposes. As I told you, space information, quantification, analysis and planning, documentation, etc. Okay, so in this way we have to create the space schedule in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.